A lot of niggas wanna murk me, so I'm right around dirty. Killers all around me, when my clock here holding 30. Told mom I'm going OT, I'm good, Hoya, don't worry. I gotta get these bands.
Wait, so we got.
Put 1 to 7 and then write the.
Yeah, but we got Burger King, Dairy King, Wendy's, McDonald's, A&W, Subway.
DQ.
Yeah, I got it.
You got McDonald's?
Yep.
Burger King.
Yep.
Subway.
Yep.
DQ.
Wendy's.
Yeah.
Mug.
That's what it is.
A&W.
Yeah.
That's all of them.
Okay.
There's 7.
There's 7.
Okay, I just wanted to
This is a Rootbeer challenge.
Drink them all. Taste them all, and then you can rate them. That's number 1.
These definitely taste like the A&W one. I give this like a good 9 out of 10. It's pretty tasty.
And you want that to be A&W?
A&W. Number 1.
Rinse your palate.
This one smells pretty good. That was a lot sweeter. That was much sweeter. I'm gonna have to say this is the mug. I'm gonna give that a 7 out of 10. Also pretty good.
Okay. Let's go number 3.
Yeah, that one's not sweet at all. No, that's bad root beer. I think this is Wendy's.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Okay, what?
3 out of 10.
Okay.
This one almost tastes like the last one, but it's a little bit sweeter. I'm gonna say this is the McDonald's one. So 5 out of 10.
Gotta get all the senses
I guess
involved.
see how much sticks to the inside of the glass.
The legs.
Right. This one has pretty much no flavor, so I'm gonna go ahead and say this is the Burger King. I'm gonna give that about a 2 out of 10. This is the middle of the road, but nothing special. Say it's a 5 out of 10. It's probably a Dairy Queen. But this one's really fizzy. Well, I guess it has to be the Subway one, so yeah, I'm gonna give that 6 out of 10.
Okay.
Awesome.
And I'm gonna tell them what you think, like how like.
Number 1.
Knock them down.
Crazy hungry.
That was a tough one.
That's number 7. It's pretty, man, pretty plain. That's gotta be A&W.
And
It's a 7. Pretty plain. Well, it's alright. It's root beer, so I mean, it ain't bad. That's gonna be Dairy Queen. And it's a pretty sweet 8.5. Got so much root beer taste. It's the same.
Nothing was the same.
Wendy's. Gotta be Wendy's. It's only no 5. What's anything special about that one? Ew. Ew. It's gotta be Subway. Nasty. It's only a 2.5. Tastes like water. Guess we'll go with Burger King. It's only tastes like a friggin' one. It tastes like water. Literally. It's Burger King. Okay, we'll go A&W.
Do you want it to be Burger King?
No, we'll go A&W.
Buzz.
No,
One
no.
A&W.
It's A&W. And did I rate that?
No.
That's really good. 9.5.
Okay. This has to be.
That mug.
What is it?
Oh, it's very fizzy. I like that. It's got pretty good flavor. It's gotta be an 8.5. Solid 8.5.
Brian took drugs for this so he could have his nose clear.
Right.
It smells like Christmas candy.
Why Christmas candy smells like that?
You know, that's gotta be DQ. First one. I'm saying DQ. It's pretty decent actually.
We're gonna rate.
Gonna give it 8.5. Cleanse the palate. A&W. Yeah. That's pretty good. Give it an 8. Okay. Next one. That's Wendy's. I'm gonna give that like a 8.5.
Another 8.
I'm gonna say that's Subway. 7. Sort of watered down. Very good. I
I'd say that's probably
McDonald's.
okay. Then that one's Burger King. That one's actually all pretty tasty. Only a 7.5. Wasn't the best one. But it wasn't cold. It tastes good. That's your classic monkey. That's a solid. That's a 9. It's pretty tasty. Cheers. So much stinking root beer.